Hi, my name is Rohan. I'm in 5th grade. I'm from MSC Smith Elementary. My teacher is Mrs. Hayes. My science teacher is Mrs. Rad. And today I'm gonna see the experiment. Can water conduct electricity? If so, it's pure water vs tap water vs salt water. So and the materials you need are 2 button batteries, 2 copper wires, alligator wires, and a LED dioide. So let's do this. First, let's try pure water. Gotta put those alligator clips right there. And there's no light. This is because pure water has close to none ions. Now let's try tap water. And look, the light is glowing. It's because tap water has not like about a teaspoon of salt, which creates sodium chloride, and sodium is a positive. So it goes to a negative terminal, and chloride is a negative, so it goes to a positive terminal. And it creates a bridge for electrons to flow through and get to the other side and make this glow. Now let's try salt water. And look at this, it's glowing so bright. And this is because salt water has tons of sodium chloride, which means that there's a huge bridge, kind of, so like more electrons can come. It's like, yeah. And then the more electrons there are, the more electricity it produces. So look how much light's here. And I can actually show that this is a lot of light. Like, let's look back into the tap water again. See, it has lots. This doesn't have as much as light, but a decent amount. And this is all because of sodium chloride, or NaCl, or salt. So sodium chloride has 2 types of ions: sodium and chloride, Na and Cl. And since in tap water there's not as much as NaCl, it doesn't create as much as light. But since salt water has a lot of NaCl, it creates tons of light. And with this, you can see that salt water is the best water conductor. And since chloride has an extra ion, it is actually a negative, which makes it, and since negative and positive attract to each other, it makes negative chloride go to the positive terminal. And the sodium is a positive, so it goes to the negative terminal, which is why we have a invisible, it's in the water, you can't really see it with your eyes, but it's invisible. Electrons can actually flow through and go to the light. And that is how salt can conduct lots of energy. Now, as you can see, pure water doesn't have any salt, so no electricity. Tap water, little salt, a little bit of electricity. Salt water, tons of salt, so tons of electricity. Thank you, and bye!